So we have left with only 1.5 months to 2024, and the price of Bitcoin is kind of like going sideways in the last 1 week, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Richard.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah. It's nice to see you in this Sunday morning. And then we have a good Sunday, and the price of Bitcoin have a little bit correction. Yeah, the price of the Bitcoin now around 36,500. Let me share you the coin 360 map to see how the price react. Yeah, just hold on a window. Yeah, share. Yeah, we all see now is a green color, but if we compare yesterday, if we compare with the 7 days ago, it's a drop of 1.68%. Yeah, because last week we see the price of Bitcoin around 36,000. Now it's around 37,000. Now it's around 36,000. Yeah, and the price of Bitcoin is look like go sideways as Mr. Nicholas sharing, and what is the new we have today is the title of our live stream is Will Bitcoin and Ethereum ride in traditional way to new big by 2024. Before we go more detail about this slide, let's see how Mr. Nicholas want to share to us in this morning live stream. Mr. Nicholas, I see your slides about FAS and some payment services act.
All right. So Monetary Authority of Singapore (MAS) recently they launched this digital money blueprint. So basically, Singapore is getting on track to start seriously exploring. I mean, they have been talking about it for some time, but now they say, oh, we want to have this blueprint, and it details the tech infrastructure required to facilitate digital money transaction, right? So, and then they'll begin developing a CBDC for wholesale interbank settlement in 2024. Next year, in 2 months' time, 2024 is in 2 months' time, right? So in the first pilot, MAS will use the live wholesale CBDC to settle retail payments between commercial banks, while later on it will then explore cross-border security trading. Yeah, so everything goes step by step, and I think I think about 2 years ago, myself and Mr. Richard, we have been looking at CBDC and expecting a lot of things to happen by 2025, and indeed, by 2024, a lot of things are getting on track, and I believe by 2025, or even later by 2027, we can see a lot more developed countries in the world kind of like quote unquote officially to transacting with CBDC. Yeah. So the third point goes to the second point on the third point in the pointers go to the second point on the left, which MAS, they grant an in-principle approval to 3 entities issuing regulated stable coins to step up CBDC experiment. So the grants in principle approval is under the Payment Service Act, and these 3 entities are called StraitsX SGD Issuance, StraitsX USD Issuance, and Paxos Digital Singapore. Right. So basically, I think they are preparing a way for people to be able to use SGD stablecoins and USD stablecoin legally. Yeah.
Yeah, this is was interesting information for us to know that Singapore is slowly, step by step, apply the CBDC to the system. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's and as I see, they expect will be the wholesale interbank in 2024. Yeah, it's look like it's a connection between the two bank to the wholesale interbank, not out there to the public. Yeah, when I
Yes.
see this, look like they look like they do the testing and in-house test between the bank first before they launch into the community. And then the next one, I see the next slide up from Mr. Nicholas shared to us about the IMF. They have
Here's
something.
the thing. IMF, IMF is International Monetary. What's the last word?
Yeah,
Federation? Foundation? I don't know. Anyway,
yeah,
IMF. And then there is this Bank of International Settlements, and then there's this World Bank. These three banks, they are basically like the how to say, they kind of control the world's economy for a long time. Yeah. So
yeah,
IMF being one of them, right now it says CBDC can replace cash. I think a couple of years back their tone is different, but this
yeah,
time around they are switching to towards the positive side of using CBDC. So it says public sector should keep preparing to deploy central bank digital currency, which is CBDC, uh, and related payment platforms in future, right? So right now it says 100 countries, more than 100 countries are already on CBDC, exploring CBDC, or approximately 60%. Okay, because the world only have like what, less than 200 countries. So more than 100 countries means it's approximately 60% of the world's countries are on it. So as of June 2023, right? Let me go to the thing. As of
it's in,
June 2023, 11 countries have adopted CBDC, with additional 53 countries in advanced planning stages and 46 of them researching the topic. So that is a lot of quite a big number of countries, and I think in no time we'll be hitting maybe 70% of the number of countries in the world, because right now 60%, you can pretty much make CBDC an official game changer, you know. Yeah. So, and of
yeah,
course, this was actually inside this article. It also mentioned something about MAS, Singapore's MAS. He said that
yeah,
cash is generally incompatible with the digital currency and incompatible, and demand for cash as a means of payment is set to decline further, and that is why, oh yeah, when they say cash is generally incompatible with the digital economy, what they actually means is cash need to be separate, used separately as a digital money, something like that,
yeah,
something to the thing. Yeah. So and in fact, when you look around, when as I look around, more and more of, especially the younger generation, right? So people from my generation, we can switch easily. We can switch from using cash to using digital money easily.
yeah,
But people from the older generation, one generation above me, or even
yeah,
half a generation above me, they'll be, wow, why is this thing so troublesome? Why is this, how for me to set up this thing is so troublesome? So I want to use cash. So there will still
yeah,
be
that's right.
a group of people who will still uh, be more towards using cash. But overall, the younger generation is the one that's moving fast with all this digital cashless society, true cashless society, and true digital payment, all this stuff. Yeah. So the last mile, according to Bank of International Settlement, using CBDCs for cross-border payments should or could lower cost of obtaining, storing, and spending foreign currency. The reason why spending foreign currency is so difficult right now is because the cost is very high. So
Yeah, that's right.
everyone is looking at the possibility of lowering the cost so that everything become more efficient. When cross-border payment become very efficient, that is where some certain big power on the other side of the planet gets worried about their currency not being used. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good when we see now today 11 countries have adopted CBDC. Yeah, the CBDC look like the it's also like another form of the cash, and they just switch to digital version. So, in my opinion, CBC is still in the centralized control. Yeah, it's, it's sometimes when I think switch to the CBDC is good, but in the other hand, I also thinking that we also need to think about the decentralized version of the money look like in the crypto version. Some company also thinking about this, but they need to go through the big boss is the government. They need to be approved from the government to allow the crypto allow some kind of form in the decentralized. Yeah. That's really useful information for us to think more about the CBDC or think more about the crypto. Yeah, and the next one, let's see, let's discuss in the crypto. The question about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the reason why the price of the Bitcoin have the correction, and how far for the crypto and Bitcoin can go. And what is your thinking, Mr. Nicholas? Can it reach the new peak by 2024, BTC and ETH?
I think there's a chance.
Yeah,
I think new peak have to come by 2024 because 2024 April is the what I call it, the halving. Yeah. So
yeah,
it has to come somehow because
yeah,
the thing is the whales are already waiting for it.
yeah,
The
that's right.
mass market is also already waiting for it. Yeah. So and
Yeah,
the fact that they are just not just waiting for it, the whales are slowly making some wave right now. Yeah. So
yeah,
of course they won't just wait like a rabbit waiting at a tree. You know, they'll just
yeah, yeah.
try to spin some activity, try to encourage some activity so that it can move to in that direction. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll
Yeah,
reach that.
recently we also waiting for the ETF spot. Um, Bitcoin ETF spot, and then as from the Coinbase also give a comment that if it's happen to prove billions will be added to the market. The total market in uh, in the crypto now today is around the market cap. Let me go to the coin market cap. Uh, uh, Wait, hold on. The market cap now is around the 1,400,000,000. Let me see the total market. The the total market is market cap is 1.39 trillion, 1 trillion and 400 billion. Yeah, And the Bitcoin it take around 114 714 billion. Yeah, the the market now we also can see the fear and risk index is 72 in the risk. Yeah, based on the coin market cap. Okay, back to our slide. Our slide is back to our slide. Uh, um, Based on the Coinbase, he also expect that um, that the the Bitcoin could add when the spot ETF approved, a billion can go into the market. Yeah, that means more and more people thinking because now the share of the Bitcoin, if we compare with the property and stock, the share is very small in the total market cap because the market cap of Bitcoin is only about 1 trillion. When when the total market cap um, of the property and the stock is 100 trillion. Yeah, is take 99% more than crypto. Yeah, that's why we should think about how potential of this one of this of crypto. Yeah, it's really potential. And the next one, I also want to share to you about the El Salvador Bitcoin journey. We hear a lot. Yeah, and we also hear the president of El Salvador speak to the Bitcoin crypto in 2021 and 2022, and when the price of the Bitcoin is around 40,000, and at this moment he still lost because the price of the Bitcoin is under 40,000. Yeah, but the country still continue DCA. DCA mean by the crypto daily. Yeah, it's look like you can buy the crypto in the schedule. Yeah, not based on the price of it. Yeah, just keep buying it. And I also want to share to you is a spot Bitcoin ETF decision is also delayed. It's also delayed as expectation because we hear a few days ago, SEC also delayed the hard test and the Franklin Bitcoin ETF, but we also can see the final deadline. Final deadline is coming for the ARC ARP at the January 10, 2024 is the final deadline for the SEC. Yeah, it means that they must give the decision, the final decision. If they approve, all the company field will be approved, and if they reject, everything will be rejected. Yeah, it means that SEC may have no chance to reject because if they keep rejecting, they must have the reason, and now is the time for them to give the final decision on the January 10. Yeah, a lot of people expect that they must be approved 90%. Say that they will approve and the market will go up at this time. Yeah, that's why a lot of people expect that. It's also the same with the people when they expect uh, look like Bitcoin halving. Also expect the Bitcoin halving before that, and after that the price maybe have a little bit correction because some of the option they change. And now a lot of people feel excited, but we don't need to do FOMO. Yeah, don't need to FOMO, fear of missing out. Yeah, and we keep calm and do auto invest. Do this year can bring your daily profits. Yeah. Mr. Nicholas, do you think will SEC will approve or they still keep delay as usual?
Whether they, I don't know. I think there will come a time where
Yeah.
you might say, "Oh, enough is enough."
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
Because yeah, okay,
yeah,
yeah,
they've
you
been
can,
trying to pull things down for a long time. So, but there will come a time where it's just too much for them to handle. They'll just say, "Okay, things will just happen and break through." I believe. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you, Mr. Nicholas, and we also hope that the SEC they may have the final decision soon, and we also receive uh, some of the news coming from the CEO of OpenAI. Uh, he seek OpenAI, and he may join the Canada door, yeah, as the CEO, and he joined the team. So we hear OpenAI make a hit last year when he bring the OpenAI to the IPO to 80 $80 billion company when it joined the IPO, and now the CEO he uh, he exit the OpenAI and he joins maybe he joined to the crypto version. Yeah, it's a good news for some the crypto nerd when they see this, and the crypto nerd, the people community hub, the it will make another wave for the crypto, and we also want to see more detail in the article of the will Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum rise to a new big. Yeah, let me go to the go to the boss. Yeah, to the boss is here. Yeah. It's share about the it's also tell us about some information about the ETF. Yeah, because mostly when they try to focus, they in 2024 they will think about the when the Bitcoin ETF when it's approved. Yeah, the market will be back. Yeah, the market will be better, and it's also depend on the when the Fed if they keep raising the interest rate. But now today I see the news they 100% vote for the Fed still keep the interest rate not increase anymore because CPI, some of the inflation data is showing good that the uh, the consumer from the people that mean the 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 price of the wood, the price of everything is still in the acceptable rate. Yeah, then they don't need to increase interest rate anymore. Yeah, at this years in this years that means next month will be have one more time for them to decide increase the interest rate or not. But now based on the vote they have 100% still keep the current level, not increase anymore. Yeah, we hope that. And now we see the uh, uh, just now in the previous slides, I also shared to you about the schedule and then we know that on the January 10, 2024 is a final deadline for SEC, and we also hope that it's a good time for the crypto. And a little bit about the Bitcoin technical analyst.
Yeah, you said January 10 is the deadline for SEC. Yeah, and
Yeah, that's
I think the report also covered something about the Fed having promised not to raise interest rate or something like that. Yeah,
yeah,
but the thing is that you know, uh, as a general public, we take information like this, we digest it, and then we try not to trust what they say totally. Because when they
yeah,
say,
yeah.
"Oh, we will not," but then sometimes they'll just break promises without you knowing.
Yeah, because when I see that is a public vote, if the Fed can increase next month, 100% they agree not increase. Let me show you the data.
Well, if they're
Uh,
going to increase next month, and then after that they say January they are not going to increase anymore, which means next month will be a serious increase. They will increase quite a lot, I believe.
Yeah, I also don't know, and it's based on some data. Last time I see the public vote, they say that 99% will uh, keep the rate at the current level, but now today after yesterday I see the vote is 100% still keep. It's mean that um, they think that the vote, the public vote, the people there are thinking that the Fed uh, will will not increase. Yeah,
Yeah,
let me see if I can find back again to see the vote Fed line.
and there's
Okay.
this variable called Ukraine war and Israel war is still going on. So uh, let's hope that things don't get too bad. Yeah.
Yeah. We also hope that of course some governments still want to make the um, to keep money to operate the government, because yes, a few days ago I also see that the the con the congressman, they try to pass the bill to keep the government working, not shut down the government to save to save the fund. Yeah, so so we also hope that they can overcome this situation, and they and with the crypto, if you have the faith in, that means have the belief in crypto, and in crypto, in Bitcoin or some the altcoin, yeah, still keep make your own decision to keep auto invest or make the wise investment wisely. Yeah, and don't be so formal. Yeah, I I I want to say that don't be formal. Sometimes we see some of the news, very interesting news. Yeah, we have the formal situation, fear of missing out, and we keep buying something, but we see that, oh, it's not what to do it at that moment. Yeah, and then we make and then our decision will not be correct. Yeah, that's why we hope that uh, next month is a will have a change in crypto, because we have a lot of news next 2 months, next month or next 2 months. Yeah, I also think next 2 months because some analysts say that Bitcoin let's back to the Bitcoin analyst just now because based on some analysis, I see the Bitcoin and crypto. We also see the support level uh, and and here is the support level. The Bitcoin price, if it's drop down, it may we also see the support level is 36,400, 32,900, and 29,130. Yeah. And based on some of the level, if in the bullish scenario, if the BTC above 37,000, yeah, it's good go to the resistance level is around 40,700, and if it can reach the 40,700, or the third resistance may hit the 49,400. Yeah, it's also interesting thing. Yeah, and we should keep an eye on the support level and the resistance level. How about the Ethereum? With the Ethereum, we also see the BlackRock. They also have the Ethereum filling, spot filling. Yeah, the support level is 1,600, and the resistance level is also 1,900 in the Ethereum. And we hope that the SMA, the line SMA and EMA is in the line is around 1,700 and 2,000 price. Yeah, we hope that, and in the bullish scenario, the Ethereum is around if it go to the next resistance level 2,400. Yeah, we also just remember that 2K if the price of the crypto hit that. Yeah, and then and I also think it's also the some data we also want to share to our audience. We also add the fear risk index is 72 rich. Yeah, people still want to keep buying crypto at this moment. Yeah, depend on the price have a little bit correction. Yeah, and based on the 1 day we see the Bitcoin price go up 0.42%, but within the 7 day we see the price have a little bit adjustment, and people will ask why AVAX have the little bit change because go up a lot because a lot of institutional jump into Avast. Yeah, a lot of company they jump into it. If you want to discover some of the altcoin, you can have a look at this as well. Avast and Dogecoin. We also can see that Dogecoin now is green. Yeah, people can see that it's green when the price of the Bitcoin go down, and when Bitcoin go up, the Doge go down. Yeah, it's it's it is a chance for us to have a look up some altcoin. Yeah, yeah. Mr. Nicholas, do you have some comments, something want to share to our audience before we complete our live stream this morning?
All right. Nothing much left. Yeah, I think Mr. Richard has covered something very nice. Yeah. So thank you all for joining us. Of course, whatever tokens, coins, or anything that is new to you, please do your own due diligence research on the information, and then you make your judgment. And we hope they make some money. And of course, let's hope that the 40,000 what do you call that?
Resistance,
Resistance, right? Yeah, so let's hope
raising
that the
level.
price break through the 40,000, and the moment it break
Yeah,
through 40,000, I believe it can sit on the resistance before, hopefully before
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah, we hope we also hope that, yeah, because I still remember a few years ago, I when the price of Bitcoin is around 8,000, and after that during Christmas it hit 50,000. Yeah, I still remember it's around before the Bitcoin halving and after the Bitcoin halving. I can't remember, but we sure that Bitcoin will do the halving on April. Yeah, but with the price, you also can do. You can imagine by yourself because based on some history, we see, yeah, Bitcoin have so many time do the halving, so the price will change. Yeah. Okay. See you in our next live stream. See you. Wish you have a nice Sunday. Yeah. Goodbye.
Hey, see you all. Bye bye.